Finally, we did it here in Secret Lagoon. It's a hot spring. Yeah. My very first hot spring experience.
No, we did a hot spring in Italy. It just wasn't very hot.
Yeah. I don't want to get out now.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Look out.
This is a good spot, babe.
RJ.
Get the back.
Trina. Oh, yes. Look at this. This is the hot spring, guys.
Here, it's gonna go up. Do the video. There you go.
It's worth it, $23 or euro? Dollars for each person. Ang 3,000 crown each person. Ano po, haggard na mata. I know, it's slippery.
Right there. Yeah, you go try to grab it here.
It's worth. I told Trina, I say, go first and I'm not looking.
She ends up turning around.
And I went to the very end. So
I was like, if I do it, you have to do it.
Well, the one at the very end for us was already running and hot, so I was like,
okay.
I went the first one and got it over with.
But the water
RJ said it was cold.
It's very worth it, mga kaibigan. It's so worth it.
Do you want to go over there? You want to go over there? There's another
It's
picture.
cooler over there, the boys said.
Oh, never mind. Don't go there.
It's more chilly that way.
It's coming from there.
I'd go this way and wait for it to go up again.
Come on.
You want me to hold it for a little while? Yeah, turn.
Are you guys enjoying?
Yes.
That's nice.
It's so calming.
I know, this is our first hot spring in Secret Lagoon. We came all the way from Italy to Iceland just to swim in a hot spring.
We had to check to make sure that this one's better.
What happened to that?
Let's go get beer. Let's go get it bigger.
See the steam all over, all around. We cannot go past the fence because that's where the steam blowing up. Ooh. Allergies over there. Man, this is so relaxing. It's worth it, guys, to just come and visit here in Iceland. Trina's holding a champagne. Oh my goodness. Let's cheers, Trina. Okay, cheers.
Oh, it's not bad.
You can have it.
Okay, take a picture. You're still in video. Center. The video?
Mm-hmm.
It's called.
I'm so dark.
No, you're not. I'm just white. It's gonna go up again. Everybody's waiting. Stay there. It looks like they're just waiting.
Go. Okay, no.
Interesting. Oh, you said a little too high. You need one?
I'm waiting that the steam gonna blow up. There you go. There you go.
There you go.
1, 2, 3, kaboom! Oh, it didn't happen.
That's it.
That's it.
Happening.
Yeah,
Are you getting up?
there.
Give me a buddy.
Just mild this